You have to have this plan of action. And Tom and I have a tool that we have used for ourselves in the past. And we here and there would help some other people out with it. What we had to take ourselves through is what we're going to help more and more people and take them through. It's called a 90-day sales plan. And really what this is to look at your planning for the next 90 days. How are you going to go through and do your sales, but not like just thinking about here's every single little tactic and here's, how many times I got to pick up the phone and dial it, or how many emails you got to send, or use this funnel and use this. Those are great. But if you don't understand who you're doing that for or why you're doing that, then it's all useless.
Yep.
And we have this 90-day plan, this 90-day sales plan that Tom and I have used, and now we have built out and we're going to give out to the public. This was not intended to be any kind of a sales pitch for this or anything. This is truly stuff I have used. I have used this 90-day plan since 2012 when I was at MetLife. I've adapted it more over the years. And Tom has brought a whole nother side to this. But really what this is about, it's about thinking about your sales plan differently. Thinking about what your mission is and what your vision is differently, not what you think mission and vision is. And thinking about what's the problem you actually solve, not what's the thing that you sell. And this is a big problem for most people. We were role playing the other day when we were talking about people selling pens.
Right. That was fun.
Yeah, it was because we just had to work
there.
some stuff out. Right. We had to work some stuff out and think about it. And it's like, well, they're not really selling a pen. And we were like, what if someone is trying to be a competitor to Pilot pens or Bic pens? And it's like, the problem they're solving isn't that they need a pen because they could just go get those other pens. The problem was solving, and it was like this fake pen that had really good ink that lasted longer. And the problem that they were solving was that the person who's writing kept running out of ink and had to replace their pens all the time. And this pen lasted longer. So the problem was very different than the product. The idea was, what's the competitive edge? Right? You have to find your competitive edge.
Yep.
And these are the types of things that we talk about inside of our 90-day sales plan.